Yo guys, Ashiriyakar, Namaste and what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing well and all you guys having amazing day so far. So I'm back with brand new video regarding Gods of Boom, and this time around I will show you the best perks to go for if you are sniper. So let's get started. So I will show you Barracuda gameplay because Barracuda is best sniper for this thing. So I will show you perk by perk which one do what and how it perform. So let's get started. So let me just click on the arsenal. So here we go. So first perk I use is that another shot. This is called if your enemy don't eliminated with one shot, then within the next 3 seconds your sniper rifle will deal more damage. So what is my mean by that is now you will see that in a gameplay. So let's show you guys. So here we go. So as you can see I took one shot and my enemy did not eliminate it, so then my uh, Barracuda will deal more damage. So here you can see again my enemy did not eliminated with first shot. Then again my perk will help me and my Barracuda will deal more damage. So second is high ground. So if your enemy is below you, then your Barracuda or then your sniper will do more damage. So this perk don't like work every time because it's only work on sub maps like Europe, Street, etc. So now I will show you the gameplay of this perk. So as you can see I'm standing upon a roof and my friend is below me. So you can see my Barracuda is dealing 200 more damage to the head. Like usual headshot damage of Barracuda is 4700, and so you saw my Barracuda did 4900 damage on head. So here it did 5200 damage on a head. So it's just because of that perk. So now move on to next perk. So this perk called Trophy Hunter. So in with this perk you can restore your armor 7%. So what is my mean by that you will see. So let me just show you the gameplay. So here my friend will take 1 or 2 shot on me, so he will down my armor. So as you can see he took 2 shots on me. So now you will see. So here I killed him and I got my 960 armor back. So again we will do the same. So again he will hit me with his icebreaker. Here you will see. So here he hit me with icebreaker. So again I will take him down and here you can see I again got my 960 armor back. So this is the perk. So this is the last perk which I use. It's called Berserk, and so the less armor you have, the more damage your sniper rifle will do to enemy. So I will show you the gameplay first. So now here I have no armor, so you will see 5k damage on a head. So this is the main. The lower armor I have, the more damage will my Barracuda do. Again you will see I have no armor, so first shot 5255 damage on a head. So this is pretty insane. So this is all about perks, and now I will show what happened without perks. So here you can see no perks. So you will see the headshot damage without any perk is 4608. So again you will see here 4608 headshot damage without any perk. So now I will share the gameplay with perks on. So The perks which I showed, that's exactly perks I am using in this video, so you will see how I will perform and how perks will perform in this video. And after this one I will share the gameplay without using any perk. You will see then how Barracuda perform.
The enemy captured point A. Incredible!
Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Point A captured.
Never leaving you in the darkness. Even when you're out
Point A is under attack.
I will be the light.
The enemy captured point A.
I'll be the
Nice!
'cause I know that you'll do
Assist.
what you're told.
Perfect aim!
Temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Bang! Victory! Double elimination, domination. Point A captured.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, down.
Perfect aim.
So I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest.
Point A is under attack. The enemy captured point A. Bang!
I'll be your inspiration. 'Cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your
Perfect aim. Domination. Double elimination.
know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration. 'Cause I
Point A
know that you'll do
captured.
just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation. 'Cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Point A is under attack. The enemy captured elimination. Bang! Point A captured. Point A is under attack.
On your own.
The enemy captured point A. Point A captured. Point A is under attack. Point A captured. Nice.
I feel the rain crashing
Perfect aim.
all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost,
Point A is under attack.
but you don't care. You're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't
Point
even.
A perfect aim.
It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why
Point A is under attack.
everything held you
The enemy
close
captured
by
point
the
A.
stormy seas. Oh, you meant the
Bang.
world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me.
Point A captured.
The pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to
Point A is under attack. Elimination. Point A captured.
you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in
And now you will see this gameplay without any perk. So in this gameplay I'm not using any perk, and you will see how Barracuda perform. So I hope you guys will also enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to leave a like on this video, share this video with your friends, and please guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on. And this video took a lot of time to make, because like I have to do a lot of editing. So I hope you guys will appreciate my work. And so yeah, just do subscribe to my channel, and leave a like on this video and comment down below if you guys like this video. And I will catch you in the next video. So stay safe and enjoy your life.
Perfect aim. Double elimination. Perfect aim.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I
Perfect
own
aim.
and know. I'm letting go,
Bang.
I'm breaking these walls
Bang.
down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
Awesome. Double elimination. Playmaster. Domination. Bang.
I fell where my
Perfect
demons
aim.
dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else.
Nice.
Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts down.
Awesome.
A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired